To close your Shopify store, you're going to want to log into the admin and then head on down to Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. From there, click on Plan and Permissions in the top right corner. Once you're on the Plan and Permissions page, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see a few different options. You can pause your store, hire a Shopify expert to help you finish your store, or simply close your store. So once you click on Close Store, you'll see a new dialog box. Select a reason as to why you're closing your store. It is optional. You can just hit Other if you want. For me, this was a test site. I was testing a few apps and how they interacted with each other for a client. So go ahead and give your reason, and once you give your reason, just click that big red button, Close Store. And that's it. Pretty simple. You can also find the instructions in the description below. And if you found this useful, or if you're building a lot of WordPress and Shopify stores, feel free to subscribe and check me out for more videos.